Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to change line thickness. I will go to drawing and click base to insert each sample part. Click open and OK again. Now if you want to change line thickness from this sketch, I will select the object. You can select this line object. Next, right click and then choose properties. In here you can change for line weight. It's set into 4 mm. Click OK and it will be automatically change the line thickness. So you can select the line object, right click, go to properties, change the line weight and click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials how to change line thickness. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.